Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain M5 Mac Mini in detail. Introduction. Apple's Mac Mini has long been celebrated for its compact design and robust performance. As we approach the latter part of 2025, anticipation builds around the potential release of the Mac Mini M5. This article delves into the expected features, specifications, and advancements that the M5 iteration might bring to the table. Release timeline. Apple has a history of unveiling new Mac Mini models in the latter part of the year. Based on production schedules and industry patterns, the Mac Mini M5 is expected to debut in late 2025, possibly around November or in early 2026. This aligns with Apple's typical release cadence and the reported commencement of M5 chip production. Design and build. The Mac Mini M5 is anticipated to retain the sleek, compact aluminum chassis that has become its hallmark. Measuring approximately 5 by 5 inches, this form factor ensures minimal desk footprint while delivering robust performance. While the overall design may remain consistent, minor tweaks or new color options could be introduced to refresh its aesthetic appeal. Performance enhancements. M5 chipset. At the core of the Mac Mini M5 lies Apple's next-generation M5 chip, expected to offer enhanced CPU efficiency. While maintaining a similar core count, the M5 chip is expected to introduce minor enhancements to its performance cores, resulting in faster multitasking and improved overall processing speeds. Upgraded neural engine. With a focus on AI-driven tasks, the M5's neural engine is projected to deliver significant improvements, catering to machine learning applications and on-device AI processing. M5 Pro variant. For professionals requiring more power, the M5 Pro variant is expected to feature increased GPU cores, up to 18 GPU cores, enhancing graphics performance for tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming. Expanded RAM options. While current configurations offer 16 GB and 24 GB, the M5 Pro may introduce higher RAM capacities to accommodate intensive workloads. Memory and storage. To meet the growing demands of users, the Mac Mini M5 is anticipated to offer increased base storage, starting at 512 GB for the M5 model and 1 TB for the M5 Pro, providing ample space for applications and files. High-speed SSDs, ensuring rapid data access and transfer speeds, crucial for professionals working with large media files. Connectivity and ports. The Mac Mini M5 is expected to feature Thunderbolt 5 support, offering faster data transfer rates and improved connectivity options. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring faster and more stable wireless connections. Multiple display support, capable of handling multiple high-resolution displays, catering to professionals requiring expansive screen real estate. Software integration. Running on the latest macOS version, the Mac Mini M5 will seamlessly integrate with Apple's ecosystem, supporting features like universal control, sidecar, and enhanced AI-driven applications. Environmental considerations. Continuing Apple's commitment to sustainability, the Mac Mini M5 is expected to incorporate recycled materials in its construction and aim for a reduced carbon footprint, aligning with the company's environmental goals. Pricing expectations. While official pricing remains unconfirmed, projections suggest base M5 model starting at $599, maintaining affordability for a wide range of users. M5 Pro model starting at $1,399, catering to professionals requiring enhanced performance. Conclusion. The Mac Mini M5 stands poised to continue Apple's tradition of delivering powerful computing in a compact form. With anticipated enhancements in performance, connectivity, and sustainability, it promises to be a compelling choice for both professionals and everyday users.